going to be making Shores of the Gulf today. And the reason why I'm calling it Shores of the Gulf is because it's a soap that has inspired me to remember the Gulf of Mexico. There's Pensacola, Florida, Navarre, Destin, Mexico Beach. Of course, we have Orange Beach and Gulf Shores. Fort Walton. It just goes on down. Gulf of Mexico is a huge area. So I'm calling this Shores of the Gulf, and it reminds me of water and shells. My micas that I'm using today is going to be titanium dioxide, Caribbean Kiss mica from Rustic, Siren Song from Nurture, and where is this one? This one's all called Lima Peel. This one is a mix between ultramarine blue and some neon blue from Nurture. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and mix up my, I have my butters, my hard oils, and my liquid oils all blended together, and this is some kale and clay that I haven't blended yet. So let me do that now. Alright. Okay, so I moved the camera down just a little bit so y'all can see. Alright, I'm going to put this on the bottom because it reminds me of sand, and I wish I would have put some 24 karat gold mica in this to turn it kind of a sandy color, but that's alright. We'll just go with it because right now it's a little late in the game to be doing that. This is a new one for us. I love, love, love the fragrance of this. I really believe it's going to be a great seller. It's fantastic. I can't wait to get it out on the shelves to people. It's not a bad fragrance to work with. We've just seemed like I'm having to, I mix too much. I'm going to try to get this all mixed in. Make a layer right there. I'm going to go ahead and pour in my white. Yeah, you see how that's setting up? It's starting to set pretty good right now. Alright. So I'm going to speed the video up again. Okay guys, y'all know what time it is. I'm going to bang this thing down on the ground. Time to beat the devil out of it, because it gets all the air out, right? So hold on, I'll be right back. Hello, here I am. I'm going to beat the devil out of it. Beat it. Okay, I'm think that's good enough. The devil's not hard to beat out. Okay, so here's what I've got left. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm not going to do a hanger swirling. I'm gonna get something with a thick handle, which is one of my spatulas. And I'm going down through here with one of these. I'm just gonna swirl it down through the mold. And I'll bang it down again after that. And I'm gonna see how it comes out. Of course, it's thick. I'm gonna have to bang this down again. But that's quite fine with me. I don't mind. And then I can just clean the edges up, because it's set up pretty good. I'll move it this way. And I'm gonna swirl like that. And swirl the end. Just gonna push it, pick it up, push it down. Pick it up, push it down. Pick it up and push it back down. Now, that's how I did that. So I'm gonna beat the devil out of it one more time. That's my southern term for getting the air bubbles out of it. Alright, be back. Beating the devil. Okay, now I made a mess on the tops, as you can see. So I'm going to clean up this top with my mystery tool. Okay, there is the tops of the soap before I put on the topping. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm bringing you back so you can watch me put the piping on, as you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and start this process. I will speed it up so that you don't get bored after I do a few. I'm going to go ahead with mica drizzle. Okay, that's going to soak up into the soap as it saponifies. It's just a little gold drizzle. Kind of reminds you of the sand, whatnot. I'm not going to put too much on here. Just a little bit. Okay, here is our other. This is another mica drizzle. This is a siren song. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this baby down with some rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol helps with soda ash. And put it to bed. We'll be back tomorrow. Never done this, so this is the first time I've ever made this bar of soap. I just tried to think of things and colors that reminded me of the Gulf of Mexico. It's really pretty, and I'm excited to see what the inside looks like. So let's get to slicing. I'm going to speed up the video, and I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, I really am happy with how it came out. I love how the colors blended together. I love how the colors accented one another. I'm proud of the swirl that it made. The embeds worked out great with a little bit of the gold 24 karat mica on it. It's just a beautiful soap, and this will be our keeper for us because the smell is excellent. It's soaped well. It's called Shores of the Gulf. Thank you for watching. Y'all subscribe to our channel.